Welcome to the Number Circus. Meet the math performers. Yeah, we're just going to categorize numbers. Let's look at this problem. List all numbers from the given set that are A, natural numbers, B, whole numbers, C, integers, D, rational numbers, E, irrational numbers, and then finally F, real numbers. A, list all the natural numbers from the given set. Remember, natural numbers are our counting numbers. So when I look at this, the only number we have that we would count, what? Square root of 49? Yeah, this is actually a trick question because the square root of 49 is 7. So yeah, this would be a natural number. B, list all the whole numbers from the given set. Whole numbers are your counting numbers and 0. We would have 0 and the square root of 49, which is 7. List all the integers from the given set. Integers are the positive and negative counting numbers and 0. There we go. -6, 0, the square root of 49, which is 7. List all the rational numbers from the given set. Rational numbers are any number that can be written as a fraction. We have -6, -3/5, 0, 0.75, 7.4, and the square root of 49. When I look at this, -6 can be written as a fraction, -6 over 1. 0 is 0, or we could say 0 over any number, like 0 over 1, 0 over 5, or whatever. 0.75, we can write that as a fraction. Basically, any decimal we can write as a fraction. And finally, the square root of 49, that's 7. List all the irrational numbers from the given set. Now, an irrational number is any number that cannot be written as a fraction. So basically, what's the only thing left in our set? Yeah, the square root of 2. F, list all the real numbers from the given set. Real numbers are all numbers without an I. What does that mean? Well, for instance, 3i. That's actually called an imaginary number. Yeah, we have imaginary numbers too. So list all the real numbers. Basically, everything is a real number unless it has an I attached to it. Now it's your turn. I want you to pause the video, answer the questions, and then we'll work it together. All right, let's see how you did. Here's our set of numbers. For A, we want to find the natural numbers. Now remember, natural numbers are our counting numbers. In this set, that would be the square root of 16. What? Yeah, another trick question. The square root of 16 is 4, and yeah, 4 would be a counting number. B, list all the whole numbers from the given set. A whole number is a counting number and 0. That means we have 0 and the square root of 16, because the square root of 16 is 4. C, list all the integers from the given set. Integers are the positive and negative counting numbers and 0. -2, 0, the square root of 16. List all of the rational numbers from the given set. Remember, rational numbers are any number that can be written as a fraction. For this set, we have -2, -6/7, 0, 0.25, 3.2, and the square root of 16. List all irrational numbers from the given set. Irrational numbers are any number that cannot be written as a fraction. So basically, what didn't we write down from our set? Square root of 7. Finally, F, list all the real numbers from the given set. Real numbers are all numbers without an I. Remember, I is an imaginary number, like 3i. So what would we list? Everything in this set. Hopefully this helped you. And thanks for watching Number Circus. Meet the math performers with me, Catherine.